wow. Pee ha ha ha. Pee ha ha. Cookie. Kill. Cookie. I love a good cookie. Yeah. Em quỳ hay pickle. I will hay bao. This is like Freaky.
Friend.
Yeah, Papa.
Hi, we just got the Melissa and Doug doorbell house. I've had the old one for 20 years and have loved it. It's durable, it's been well used, well loved, still has the keys. Some of the doorbells broke, but it has served its purpose. So I was buying a new one for my grandson. We're Buffalo Bills fans. And when it came, I just opened it. And when I pulled off the tag, it ripped off part of the roof. So that was a little disappointing. The other thing that's a little disappointing is the sounds. That one's okay. Can you hear how grainy that is? It just doesn't sound right. That one's okay. Ding dong. Oh, what the heck is that? So, all in all, I'm hoping to get just as many years out of this. Although, you can see the depth of this door over the depth of this door. These are just a little chintzier material, but I think it'll last okay.
Hold on, one more. Oh no. Maybe you gotta stand her up so the door can close. Stand her up.
Good.
Yeah, close the door.
Good.
ABC PTV's new name.
perché se ti tocca? Sta freddo.
Old house? Versus new house. No chimney. The words are stuck on there. And they have plastic doorbell and keyholes now. Ding dong. Good job.